Alrighty peeps, in this video I'm going to show you how to get rid of that problem that a lot of people are having with the N80. The N80 valve, aka purge valve. That little shit right there. I was having high cylinder, misfires, EPC, check engine lights, all sorts of craziness. Car wouldn't run. I got stuck at a gas station after putting fuel. So I found out by myself that little sucker right there, when he opens and starts pumping vapors that come from the tank, goes in there, that's the inlet, and gets pumped into the engine. And those vapors were messing up everything. My AFRs were crazy all over the place. Car would start misfire, and high cylinder and EPC, and everything was crazy. Ever since I plugged this inlet, you can see it's not even all the way in. I'll show you what I did. So what I did was I plugged it, put a little screw with some plumber tape around the threads, and you see the threads it's got that plumbing tape. So you have that screw that goes into the inlet to plug it in, to plug the vapor so no vapors go in, and then just slide the hose over it. Sorry. There you go. And that's it. You can leave it plugged in so you don't have a check engine light, and no vapors are going to be sucked into the engine. And then what I do, just make sure the vapors can get out. I leave the gas cap loose, and I don't have any problems with the gas cap being loose. No check engine lights or nothing. Sometimes, very, very rarely, I get a check engine light telling me, hey, there's a flow error detected for the purge valve. I just go in and I cleared it with my carb access port. Man, that's it. Well, very rarely I get that incorrect flow code pop up. But that's it. That's what I do, and resolves all your issues with misfires, high cylinders, and all that crap.